Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the top cover and system board. Removal. Remove the tape that secures the RTC battery cable next to the metal shielding. Disconnect the RTC battery cable from its connector on the system board. Using a non-metallic, flat-bladed tool, carefully release the RTC battery from the adhesive that secures it to the system board and remove. Replacement. Place the RTC battery into position on the system board and gently apply pressure to adhere it into place. Connect the RTC battery cable into its connector on the system board. Important: ensure that the RTC battery cable is routed next to the metal shielding. Replace the tape that secures the RTC battery cable next to the metal shielding.